Hey guys, it's Steve here. Nice gloomy day in Iowa, 72 degrees. I haven't uploaded a video in a few years now. Uh, Recently moved, acquired a new shop where I plan to finish all my projects I've purchased. A lot of them I made previous videos on. So I'll just give you a little tour of what I got in the shop now. Uh, First off, Dad's G, 52G. I have 841 Ford Power Master in here right now. It's got the Sherman over and under transmission on it. I'll go over more on this tractor. Here's the 8N you guys seen a couple years ago. This is the one we just pushed in here to start it all. Last time I made a video on this, I believe it was still 6 volt. So all that's been changed around. And it's to the point of running. I just need to replace the starter. It went out as we were working on it. But I plan to make a lot of future videos. I have an A John Deere, a B John Deere, and H John Deere to come into the shop. I have purchased a few years ago a 1928 Twin City 1728 tractor. I plan to hopefully have that in here this fall. If you don't know what that is. Oh, I can't find my ad for one. Here it is here. It's kind of hard to see, but that's my prized possession I picked up a couple years ago. It's kind of funny. I have Fords and John Deere's in here. But my main interest is Minneapolis Moline, which you'll see a few of those that I have. They're farther back on the list. A lot of these tractors belong to family members of mine, so I'm just trying to get them done first. This is Dad's G. Me and Dad bought the 841 last year at an auction. The 8N belonged to my other grandfather on my mother's side. My A John Deere will be in here. My sister has the H John Deere. My uncle has the B John Deere. We also have a Cockshut 560. And I'm forgetting some of them because I got too many projects, along with implements. I'd like to, this fall, work on we have a Ford pull type combine that I'd like to put behind the 841 for a local show we have here. And use that, but stay tuned for more videos. I hope to do more in-depth videos on how to repair this stuff and 12 volt conversions and everything like that. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.